Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a Kiwi Crate for this month, and I am so excited to get in this with you and to let my son play with it because he was really excited to see it in the mail today. If you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do different unboxings like this, to show you different curriculum we like, organizational ideas and things like that. So if you're interested in those things, please subscribe below and let's get into this box. So this one for this month is an arcade, and it says create your own arcade claw game with pom-pom prizes. And we have actually done this one before, not with this particular child, but a few years ago, my now almost 8-year-old did it, and we got it as a Christmas present, and he really liked it at that time. So I'm really excited to do it now with my 5-year-old. So when you open it up, it looks like this, and we have our instructions on top, it looks like. So these are a picture of the claw and the little pom-poms that you're gonna make. And then inside we have the different instructions that it's gonna show us. So then we have our booklet that I really love because these give you a bunch of different activities you can do. So it has some different ways you could draw a machine over here. And it talks about arcades because some kids probably are like, what the heck is an arcade? So it gives you some background on it and sometimes provides you with different activities or different things to color. So I really like this book. So then we see the inside of the box looks like this. So it has a little, I don't know what, an example of how you lay it out. So I really like this because it helps especially the little kids. They can just lay it out on top of here and it's a lot easier for them. And then we have these very colorful stickers and some string and tubes and some circle stickers and then a whole bunch of screws and nuts to go on them. We have eyes. Those go on the little pom-pom balls to give them eyes. We have the yarn. They're stuck. Okay, so we have our yarn right here to make our pom-poms. And then we have our pipe cleaners that are part of our pom-poms. And then these are all part of what's gonna make the cloth. So all these wood pieces. And then another little model of how you're supposed to lay things out at the bottom. And that's all. And so I'm excited to let him get into this and to make it again because it's been a few years. I don't remember exactly how it all works. And then we can show you. So I'm gonna let him get at it. Hi and welcome back. Manti just did his little Kiwi Crate and we had a lot of fun doing it.
Yeah, so super fun.
It was super fun. So we're gonna show you. Okay, you're gonna pull on it. He's gonna pull on the end. And there opens and closes. So this was actually fairly easy for him to do. It comes with this template right here, which I could not remember for the life of me when I was unboxing this, but it's called a template. And so it comes with this, and it gives all the colors and it has the letters. So when they look at the instructions, it makes it easy to know where to put things and where to overlap them. So I really, really like how it comes with this. I think it's super helpful. Okay, are we ready for that?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're like, what the heck is that? So we made these pom-poms right here, and you use this little gadget. So you put the string on here and you wrap it around, and then you pull it off after you tie it with a pipe cleaner, which I really like how they use the pipe cleaners, because since they have the wire in the middle, they're very easy for kids to just twist. So you put the pipe cleaner on and then you cut it, so it gives you these little fringes. So these were actually kind of hard for him to do. To hold this and wrap the string was a little bit difficult, so I ended up doing most of it, but he tried it out a little bit. And then you can use your claw to pick up your little pom-poms and maybe some other things. I don't know, it's not a super strong claw. It won't be able to pick. It is. Apparently it is. So it can't pick up super heavy things. He tried picking up his water bottle and that didn't work. But
I picked up Suture in my race car.
oh, he picked up Suture and his race car. So Suture is a stuffed animal. So some lighter things might work and you might be able to pick some stuff up. So this was really fun, and I liked how they have all these little screws and nuts on here. Right here, if you can see, it's hard for me to, right here. So he was able to use his fine motor skills, and some of it was a little bit more difficult and he got a little frustrated, but we worked through it and he was able to do it. So I really like how these crafts encourage him to use those fine motor skills. And then also in the book, there's some additional crafts for arcade games if you wanted to do some more. So it has this one at the top, and there's a one that's like you'd roll, this reminds me of like the one you roll the balls and they fall into those circles at the top. I don't even know what it's called, but you roll them and they go in. Anyways, it's been a long time since I've played arcade games. So that's what this kind of reminds me of, because it has all these little tubes. And then this one on this side, it lets you use your box and you can cut it out and make a little arcade game there. And it has a bunch of papers at the back you can use to decorate these arcade games, and some of them are colored and some you can color. So there's a lot of extra activities in here if you want to do more arcade games.
Ta-da!
Oh,
It was
and we're holding our little fluff ball over here. He's hanging on. Okay, so what was the easiest part, or what part did you like the most?
I like the claw most.
You liked the claw the most? The claw was the funnest part? Okay, what about the hardest part?
This.
This. These little puff balls were the hardest part. So we really enjoyed this month's craft, and we're looking forward to next month. And Manti had a lot of fun, and he's gonna try to eat you with his claw. So have a good month, and we'll see you next time.